Good morning, Year 3. Here is our input for Lesson 4 of our maths lesson. We're going to start with some sticky knowledge first. So again, we're going to look at the multiplication methods using either the long multiplication method or the short multiplication method. So we'll do the first one together. 42 times 3. I'm going to use the short multiplication method this time. So we've got 2 times 3 is 6. 4 tens times 3 is 12. So 42 times 3 is 126. Using either the long method or the short method, have a go at the last 3 for me. Next we have some division. So we're going to practice that division method that we've been looking at recently. So we're going to do 57 divided by 3 first. Do this one together. Divided by 3. How many 3's go into 5? 5's not in the 3 times table, so the number before that would be 3, which would be 1. I'm going to put a 0 down here to help me, and then 3 times 110 would be 3 tens. Take those two numbers away. 57 take away 30. 7 take away 0 is 7. 5 tens take away 3 tens is 2 tens. Now we know that 27 is in the 3 times table, and if we were to count in our 3's, we would know that 9 3's make 27. So we would put our 9 up here. And then we're going to do 27 take away 27 to see if we have any remainders. Okay, so 57 divided by 3 is 19. Okay, our next one then is convert the following measurements into centimetres. So we've recently been looking at length, so we should know that in 1 metre there are 100 centimetres. So 4 metres, 56 centimetres would become 456 centimetres. Okay, let's see if you can have a go at the next two. Then we've got some fractions, so we've got 1/2 of 20 and 1/4 of 28. Now, to find a half of something, you're going to see how many 2's go into 20, so using your 2 times table to help you. And then to find a quarter, you're going to see how many 4's go into 28 to find 1/4 of 28. Okay, our in focus, Ravi won a race. He ran 1,500 metres. What was the distance Ravi ran in kilometres and in metres? So we need to know how many metres there are in 1 kilometre. So there are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. Okay, it's really important that we remember that. So 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. If the race he ran was 1,500 metres, again, using that grid that we've been looking at over the last few days, you would put 1,500 metres up here. Then we would split that, so it would be 1,000 metres or 1 kilometres, because 1,000 metres is the same as 1 kilometre. Okay, and then you've got 500 metres left. You would then add 1 kilometre and 500 metres, which would give you 1 kilometre, 500 metres. So the distance around a football pitch was 1 kilometre, 500 metres. Okay, so the following you are going to convert into kilometres and in metres. You have similar questions in your book. So if there are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre, we would know that 3,000 metres would be 3 kilometres, and then we have 245 metres left. Okay, in 8,763 metres, we have 8,000 metres here, so that would give us 8 kilometres. And then we have 763 metres left. So it'll be 8 kilometres, 763 metres. Now the next two measurements are already in kilometres, so we need to put those into metres. Okay, so we know that in a kilometre there are 1,000 metres. So in 4 kilometres there would be 4,000 metres, and then we have 57 metres left as well. So we've got 4,057 metres. In 7 kilometres, there will be 7,000 metres, and then we have 345 metres. So 7,345 metres. Okay, your guided practice, you're going to write those measurements into metres, into kilometres and in metres. So they're already in metres, you're going to convert them into kilometres and metres. So we'll do the first one together and then you can do B and C. So 2,350 metres would be 2 kilometres, 350 metres. Okay? Have a go at B and C yourself. Okay, so in your workbook you will have a page that looks a little bit like this. So what is the distance between Emma's home and her school in metres? So you've got Emma's home's here and her school is here. So you need to find the distance between that, and it is written in 1 kilometre 400 metres. Okay, so we're going to break that up. So 1 kilometre 400 metres, we know that in 1 kilometre there are 1,000 metres. Okay, so we've got 1,000 metres and 400 metres. And then you're going to add those two together, which would give us 1,400 metres. And then here, where it says something metres, add something metres, that would be your 1,000 and your 400 metres. And then your total will be 1,400 metres. Okay, so the distance between Emma's home and her school is 1,400 metres. The next question, what is the distance between Emma's home and the library in kilometres and in metres? So this time we've only got the measurement in metres. Now we need to put it in kilometres and metres. So we've got 3,500 metres, which would be the same as 3,000 metres or 3 kilometres, because we know in 1 kilometre there are 1,000 metres. Then we have 500 metres left. So that would be 3 kilometres, 500 metres. Okay, and again, it's split it up. So you've got 3,000 here, add 500, and then we're going to put those into kilometres, so it will be 3 kilometres, 500 metres. Okay, in your workbook you are completing worksheet 4, which is page 148 to page 149. If there are any issues, just please let us know. Enjoy the rest of your day.